What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I wanted to do a quick update on that. I like to cover it every once in a while, was requested quite a bit as well. So yeah, here we're back. Jasmy has been still very bullish. I mean, we dropped down a little bit over the last, 2 days maybe, since Sunday when we got that little bit perhaps over the top bullish move. We started dropping down, but in the end, I mean, I would argue our strongest support is around 0.63 cents. We dropped down to 0.64, but from there we started rallying, or not rallying, but from there we were bullish again. So I wanted to give you my thoughts mainly on the technicals for Jasmy in this video. I do have some very clear opinions on that. So we'll talk about that, we'll talk about all the different possibilities. But before we get into Jasmy specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Jasmy. So one thing that has not surprised me, but what I have seen is that the volume right now has dropped down quite significantly and is still dropping down. Now usually that's a not so bullish sign, because that means that we're losing momentum, right? Momentum is just a lot of volume and movement, breakouts altogether. So right now our volume isn't as low as it was before we got that spike, and then we also still were bullish. But to really get a big bullish breakout, which I think we need to get to our next price target where we want to go at around 0.75, 0.76 cents, volume would need to be higher than this. But usually that's something that just moves together with the price. So it's not something to worry about. Now something that is helping Jasmy right now is that Bitcoin is fairly bullish. And the big thing is that we also, with this last candle, we had a breakout above this 0.66 level. You can very clearly see it on the chart. That's we dropped down below that. We even respected that earlier yesterday evening as a resistance. Now we broke above that. So that's a bullish confirmation. But I think the biggest bullish confirmation we need in order for us to know that we're going up to our next price target around 0.75 is breaking above this level right here. And I've thought quite a bit about that, like what do we need to break from that level, because the entire level ranges from like 0.7 cents to 0.69 cents. And I would argue that breaking above 0.69 cents is already enough. All right, I don't think we need to break above that entire level. I think if we break above 0.69 cents, we'll maybe find some resistance at 0.7, 0.71 cents, but then we'll take that break retest. And if we get that bullish breakout, usually that means that there's some bullish momentum for Jasmy either, or for the market. So then I think we can continue that up to 0.75 cents, which we, by the way, almost already touched on Coinbase. So probably a lot of sell orders in that area have already been filled and are gone. So at this point in time, I actually do think that this is the most likely scenario. It's in line with the trend of Jasmy. It's in line with movements we've seen over the last couple of months. This is quite often how Jasmy moves. But apart from that, it's also in line with what I expect from the market. So it's not necessarily that we'll do this quickly. We might have to drop down, even down to 0.63 cents. Even if that happens, I would say this is likely. It's just then postponed a bit. But yeah, so I'll keep you updated on Jasmy. If for some reason, like this would be invalidated if we drop down below 0.63 cents. If that happens, where we have lost our bullish momentum. It's not what I expect. It's a possibility. I think you should know. But for now, as I said, this is my take on Jasmy. So thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.